Hello, my name is Victoria and I'm the head florist of Black Tulip Group. Today we will learn and I will show you how to make virtual arrangement with branches. I have mitomata branches and different kind of flowers. For this type of arrangement it's better to take vases like plate. It can stay or on your dining table. So this branch I will use like this and I will cut it straight. If you don't have like this kind of branches, it's not a big deal. You can go on the street, you can go in the forest and take some branches from the floor. Or you can find exactly this type. I have two colors, yellow and black. One of them I will put like this direction. To join these branches I will use this wire, gold color. I already have pieces. It's better if you will prepare everything from the beginning. And you can ask someone to help you, because this kind of arrangement is not really easy to do alone. Now I will put these two yellow color. I already joined them. I can put some stems out of the vase. You can play with this. I'm using only cutter. So it can stay already. This kind of arrangement can look very nice on reception, in the office, or on your dining table if you have special occasions. Or like a very nice and creative gift for a man. Some of them I'm cutting to make it more natural. Still now it's not stable and I'm continue to join these branches, but I believe after I put flowers it will be more stable. This arrangement looks like something in nature, wild, like roots. Roots on a jungle tree. Now my structure is ready. I already put some water in a vase, and now I can start with flowers. We can put flower in between and also join, if you need, to join it with a wire. If it's staying without any kind of support, it's also good. I like to make groups. If I put one flower close, I will put another one. Maybe this flower, it can stay by himself between branches. Yeah, like this. Some flowers, when you try to join, they're turning around, but you need to find this this place where you can join it with branches, I mean, where you can fix it. So I finished with Leucospermum, and now I will use Asclepia Moby Dick. I'm using hydrangea green. What I really like in this kind of hydrangea, when it's dying, it's not actually dying like all flowers. It's coming dry, and you can use this flower like a dry flower in your home. Only green and some kind of blue hydrangeas can dry. So the next I will put here. This is a face for my arrangement. But when you are making like this kind of arrangements, you have to see it from all sides, not only from one side. When I'm only start to make this arrangement, I thought I will use the purple colors, but in the process, every time the mind is changing when you see flowers, when you're touching it. My arrangement is ready. Was really enjoy our video.